Greetings everyone, and welcome to another video on my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial in F sharp for the song Kepa Ngale, or as some other people know it as Zincane Izibongo Zam. Right, so we are in the key of F sharp. Oh, octave. Alright, so usually this song is played in 10 style, and I think it would sound something like this in 10 style. So but I want to actually just use piano chords to play it. Right, so I'm going to show you guys how I usually would play the song using piano chords. So let's get into it. It's just one phrase, so it should be a quick one. So yeah. Okay, so let's start off here. So Kepa Ngale. We can do this way. So I usually just keep it simple here. We'll do like a 3, 1, then a 2, 7. Then our left hand does a 4 octave. Right hand does a 6, 1, 3, 6. Then now we're back to the 3, 1, back to the 2, 7. Then we're going to do a 1, 6. Left hand's doing a 3 octave. Right hand's doing a 5, 1, 2, 5. Now left hand's going to be playing a 6, right hand's going to be playing a 4, 1. Left hand's going to be playing a 6 flat, right hand's going to be playing a 4, 2. Left hand's going to do a 5 octave, right hand's going to do a 5, 1, 3. I did like a 1, 2, then I played the chord. Now left hand's going to be playing a 2, 1, 2. Right hand's going to play a 5 flat, 1. Left hand's going to be playing a 5 octave, right hand's going to be playing a 4, 6, 2. Left hand's going to be playing a 1, 5, 1, right hand's going to be playing a 2, 3, 5, 1. So let's repeat it again. Right, so now that's literally the entire song there. So let's see how we can add some things to make it a bit more spicy, right? So I told you that you're just playing Kepa, so Kepa Ngale, right? Right. But now let's look at what we can do as like passing chords before we play Kepa Ngale, right? So you see when you to close it off, right? You're gonna go back into repeat right? But then we can do some passing chords, and I like to do the passing 2, 3, then Kepa Ngale. So you see, instead of playing Kepa Ngale, right? I'll do Kepa Ngale. You see? Instead of Kepa Ngale, I'll do Kepa Ngale. Right, so what am I doing here, right? Left hand's doing a 2, 1, 2. Right hand's doing a 4, 7 flat, 1, 4. Now left hand's doing a 3, 1, 3. Right hand's doing a 5, 1, 2, 5. Now left hand's doing a 4, 1, 3. Right hand's doing a 6, 2, 3, 6. So Kepangale. So this is something you can do in Esperanto. And then where we did Hallelujah, you can do so da da da. 3 5 6 1 5 6. You grace net 5 and 6. Hallelujah. Left hand is going to a 4 6. Right hand is going to a 2 5 7. Then we go to a 1 3 6 right hand, and then this chord over here we play 3 1 3. Your left hand, right hand does a 5 1 2 5, right? So instead of doing do 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 do, you can do 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 do, right? So what is this? 2 3. Then left hand's doing a 2, right hand's doing a 6 flat 1 4. Left hand's now doing a 4 1 2, right hand's doing a 4 6 flat 2. Then the same as always, as you did it previously. So you can go back into the video and see how you did that part, right? So so I'll show you this. So right, so that's literally how you play the song here. I'm just trying to think whether there's other stuff you can do. So obviously there's a lot of embellishments you can do in that number. I tried to keep this one, pretty straightforward as much as possible. The only thing which I would say is probably yeah. So after you can do this. 6 flat 5 flat. When you hit the 5 flat, left hand does a 2 1 2. Right? 6 1 3. Then left hand is going to hit the 5 octave. Right hand is going to be hitting a 6 2. When you then after that you do a 7 flat 6 5. Just something as basic as that. Okay, it's not really basic, it's a bit like more intermediate stuff, but then just take it slowly and you'll be able to do it. Alright guys, so that's been this video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Till next time guys, stay blessed.